Welcome to Robinson Supermarket's Fit Kids City, where wellness is key on the road to a winning and fulfilling childhood. Take a trip with us to Fit Kids City for a memorable experience in all Robinson Supermarket branches nationwide. Shop from May 1 to June 30, 2024 and get a chance to win big prizes such as 50,000 Go Rewards points, an iPad Air 5th generation, or a Toyota Raise 1.2G CVT. Just use your Go Rewards card or app when you purchase 700 pesos worth of Fit Kids participating items to earn one e-raffle entry. You can also use your GoTyme card to buy 700 pesos worth of Fit Kids participating items to earn 2 e-raffle entries for more chances of winning. Valid for in-store transactions only. From June 15 to 30, Go Rewards members can get a free Robinson's lunch bag for a minimum purchase of 3,500 pesos worth of groceries and inclusive 500 pesos worth of Fit Kids participating items in select Robinson Supermarket branches. Lucky Go Rewards Black Card members can become one of 3 top spenders who will win 50,000 Go Rewards points from Robinson Supermarket Fit Kids. Watch out for exciting flash sales for Mother's Day and World Milk Day happening throughout the promo period. Scan the QR code for more details. For DTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTEB 189665 Series of 2024. Robinson Supermarket's Fit Kids 2024 is brought to you by GoTyme, Enfagro A+, Lactum 3 Plus 6 Plus, Nido 3 Plus, Nankid, Bonakid, ProMill 4, ProMill Gold, Similac Gain School, Tulip, Selecta, and CDO Fantastic. For more updates, make sure to follow Robinson Supermarket's official Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok pages. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the Robinson Supermarket official Viber community. See you at Fit Kids City!